I can imagine the stress you might feel when you consider taking your driving test in a big city like Los Angeles, the Riverside area. Visions of congested freeway, calamity, and chaos might be what you think about. But the truth is, the examiners have no intention to take you on the freeway. As you'll see from this dash cam footage, this testing route is in one of the more beautiful neighborhoods in all of California. The examiners can tell by you driving through these residential areas your driving skill, and frankly they don't want to risk taking you onto a freeway with all the other crazy drivers with a student who may not be the most skilled. So instead they rely on measuring your skill in a much more controlled and safe setting. So if some of your stress about the test was worry about freeway driving, you can be virtually assured that if you take your test in California, they will skip the freeway driving portion. You're watching YouTube channel Road Test Success, and we've got some fresh video in here from the Los Angeles Riverside area. This is a great test. The student's prepared, and we've got a good examiner. The route's a great route. The examiner covers all the required components for the test, and the student performs them well. We do things a bit differently here on our channel. We structure the comments so that the comment section can be a bit of a forum for you to ask questions and encourage each other. You'll notice all the comments are current. So feel free to comment your test date, ask any questions you might have, and our viewers will pass along answers and encouragement as you prepare for your driving test. So we're going to work to keep the stress low here as we go through this driving test. I'll continue to play some nice relaxing music and add some small commentary as this student does a great job in taking their driving exam.
So let's go ahead and start the vehicle.
So in addition to your ID and registration and insurance for the vehicle, you're going to also have to pass the vehicle inspection, which is a safety check on the car, listed here in the left-hand side. You've got to show where some of the controls are and demonstrate that the car is safe for travel on the road. Be sure to pre-check your vehicle. It would stink to get all the way to your test date only to fail because your car did not pass the vehicle inspection.
Press on the brake. Take your foot off the brake. Down the horn. Can you show me where your emergency brake is?
Right here.
Go ahead and set it. And then disengage. Show me your arm signals and tell me what they mean.
Right, left, and down.
And down.
Down.
What's down mean?
Sorry, stop. Not down.
Where's your windshield wiper control?
Right here.
Your defroster.
Right here.
Your front defroster.
Oh, right here.
Your emergency flashers.
Right here.
And your headlight control.
And then
How do
two
you
right
turn
here.
on
Yeah.
the light? There you go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get inside the vehicle with you, okay? Turn on your left turn signal. And your right turn signal. Turn off the signal. Alright, now you're going to be evaluated on your ability to drive safely and skillfully in various driving situations. I want you to make any lane changes necessary to follow my directions, making sure to perform all maneuvers only when it's safe. If I don't give you any directions, that just means to continue driving straight until I tell you otherwise, okay?
Got it.
Do you have any questions for me?
Just one. Can I wear the sunglasses or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Just because of the sun.
Is it okay if I adjust the seat a little?
Absolutely, yeah. It's in the bottom, I think.
Oh, there we go. Alright, whenever you're ready, we're going to go ahead and pull straight out from here.
Got it.
Right here, we're going to make a right turn.
We've got many of these videos on our channels, and they will help you pass your driving test. We get dozens of comments each week telling us that students who study these videos did fantastic on their exam. So don't just stop at this video. Check our upload list and view our playlists. Prepare for your test. You're going to do great.
At the exit, you're going to make a left turn. Right here, I want you to pull over and park. Alright, now this part of the exam is just to verify that you can back your vehicle up in a straight line. So without hitting the curb or flying out to traffic, drive in reverse. I'll let you know when to stop. Now you can go ahead and re-enter traffic. At the corner, we're going to make a right turn. Go ahead and change lanes to your left. And at the intersection, we're going to make a left turn. Go ahead and change lanes to your right. Intersection, we're going to make a right turn. corner, we're going to make a right turn. This corner, we're going to make a left turn. Right turn. We're going to make a left turn. Side is going to be the DMV office. I want you to make a left turn into the first entrance to the DMV. Right here where that car is turning. And you can turn off the vehicle as well. Okay, so you only had 2 mistakes throughout your drive. That is a passing score. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's actually a really good score. So congratulations on that as well. Make sure you're always braking nice and smoothly. You don't want to brake short. And always make sure you're looking over your shoulder. Now, I didn't really catch you. I think you did look over your shoulder, but I didn't catch you when you did.
It was a quick one, I think.
Yeah.
Yep.
The thing with that is, if you're wearing sunglasses,
Yeah,
at least during the test,
I know.
make sure that you're making your maneuvers a little bit more obvious. Of course, it doesn't really matter now because you passed, but still, you know, make sure that when you're checking, you're actually checking.
Got it.
That's for you.
Thank you.
This you're going to take inside to window number 1, and they're going to issue out your temporary driver's license, okay?
Thank you.
Congratulations, you're a licensed driver. You have a great day, okay?
You too.